Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess it's your all's lucky day. Get 2 videos in one day from me. I'm a little late to the party on this one. I guess a couple of weeks ago Mark Batsons put out a video wanting to know what our favorite build that we've done is and what our favorite build of another builder. I've been struggling with it. I saw the video and I'm struggling with just picking one. It's beginning to look like that 50 Chevy Pro Street that I'm working on may actually end up being my favorite. Excuse me, but we're gonna go with this for now. I will show you guys on the video. I don't know that I'm going to throw a wrench in this because I don't know that I can pick one, because I have like Mark had said, a lot of times your last build's your favorite, and that's probably the case for me. But I have another build that I did not long after I started my YouTube channel in 2014. I think I built this in 2015. And the reason that it has meaning for me is it was like the third build that I had done since I got back into the hobby. And I ended up, for a lot of you new guys, you may not know who Dr. Cranky is, but the old timers do. And he used to do calendars every year. And he would do basically a group build. Whoever wanted to participate and try and get their build into the calendar. I didn't actually, well, I got into the calendar, but it was under, oh gosh, what's the word I'm looking for? Honorable mention. So I didn't actually get my build being as one of the months, but towards the back of it, I was one of the honorable mentions, and there were several others. Actually, I think I still have that calendar. But anyway, I'll pause this and I'll show you guys what I got here. Okay guys, I'm back. So here it is. Probably for some of the subscribers that have been with me a while, this one probably is not a surprise. This was my first where I did a kind of a crusty paint job on it. I lowered it. The mistake that I made, because this was when I first was getting back into the hobby, there's extensions that come off the fender right here. Well, me thinking at the time that I knew it all, and it looked weird on the part, I thought it was flash, and I cut them off. And I did that on both sides. Excuse me. But you know, it's just one of those things where you learn, and as soon as I got into the instructions and saw that piece was supposed to be on there, I felt rather stupid. But anyway, it happens. The other thing that I did besides lowering this is I put a big block in it. And I made headers out of solder, and that was the first time that I tried that. And because I got honorable mention in Dr. Cranky's calendar, I had bought some decals from him years ago, and I put a decal on the roof. I wished I'd have put it on the door and not on the roof, but you know, there again, live and learn. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. And I know I've got the calendar somewhere. Again, it was the 2015 Dr. Cranky calendar, and this build is in there. This build is also starting to show its age. It's probably, well, almost 9 years old now, I would imagine. So yeah, and I think that was the first time I made an aluminum drive shaft. I believe I did that on this one. But anyway, so that's that one. Hold on a second, guys, and I'll show you this other one. All right, guys, I'm back again, and so I realize this is kind of breaking, I guess, the rule that Mark set forth, wanted us to just pick one. This one was my last build. This was the AMT, I believe it's the 65 Chevelle station wagon. But I took the 67 Chevelle Pro Street chassis and put underneath here. I took some parts out of the Charles Carpenter 55 Pro Sportsman, so it's got nitrous in the back with the batteries in the back. It's got the big block from the 67 Pro Street, and it's got a 3D printed Holley Dominator carburetor on it. It's got the wheels out of the 67 Pro Street. But yeah, this is my favorite build. And I don't want to spend too much time on it. A lot of you guys have seen it. I just completed it, I think, a month or two ago. So you guys have seen this one. The only thing that I goofed up on this one is when I was wet sanding, I got too close to the edges and I burned through. So again, like I've mentioned before, I show the good with the bad on my channel. Things happen, but I still like it. It's still a nice looking, it turned out nice. I'm happy with it. And yeah, that's that. What I'll do, and I don't know that I'm going to be able to pick just one of his builds, and I hate doing this because there's been so many people over the years that have inspired me out there in the YouTube community. But Mark, if you're going to make me pick just one, it's going to have to be Butch over at Full Throttle Customs. The scratch building of the frames and the Pro Street builds that he does are they're just off the hook. I don't know what else to say about it. I'm going to see if I can get online. He hasn't posted anything in like 2 years. I have spoke to him on the phone. I spoke to him last year on the phone. He made it sound like he was going to maybe try and start posting again. I really hope he does. Butch, if you're watching, it would sure be great for you to come back and start doing videos and building again, and maybe even doing some how-tos. The community would benefit greatly from seeing your artwork, basically. But anyway, guys, I'll try and find a couple of pictures or see if I can. At the least, I will put a link to his channel down in the description. And honestly, you guys can just buzz over there. I don't know that I could pick just one of his builds. They're all just amazing. Anyway, this one's getting a little bit long. Thank you, Mark, for the questions. It was great. I really enjoyed the video you did on it and what you picked out. And I agree, Clay Kemp he's amazing too. Anyway, guys, we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.